Today we are going to start our first lesson of geography, and the name of lesson is natural resources. So what is called resources? The valuable things what we have obtained by the nature, which is utilized by the human being for their use. So that is called resources. Natural resources are obtained by the nature. Resources are used in many ways. So they have different uses. Some resources are used as a food. We have available different type of the fruits, vegetables, then animal products like meat, eggs. They all resources are used as a food. Some resources are used as a raw materials for the industrial development, for the industrial process. Some resources are used as a raw materials for the production. For example, agriculture products like cotton, jute, sugar, they are used for industrial development and for making edible things. They are used as a raw materials. Some edible oils are also made from the agriculture products, so they are used as a raw materials. Some animal products like hide, then nails, then hair, they are also used as a raw materials. Some resources are used as an energy resources. For example, coal, mineral oil, then uranium, thorium. So these resources are used as an energy resources. Resources can be classified into three types. First, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of distribution, and on the basis of re-availability. First, we talk about resources are distributed on the basis of ownership. Some resources are called individual resources. Individual resources are owned by individual or family. For example, land and building, they are called individual resources. Second resource, national resources. National resources are owned by the nation. For example, army and international trade. So what revenue we generate through the international trade, so this resource is called national resource. Third is known as global resources. This resource is owned by all the nation and it is used for the welfare of all the nations. For example, oceans. So for the waterways, for the international trade, and for the marine life, what the aquatic things are available from the oceans, they are useful for all the nation. So these resources are known as a global resources. The second type of the resource is distributed on the basis of distribution. So first, universal resource. Universal resources is available in the all part of the world. So everywhere we can see the universal resource. For example, oxygen, nitrogen. So this resource are available in all part of the world. So this resource is called universal resource. The next resource, generally available resource. Most probably in most of the countries have availability of this resource. So this resource is known generally available resource. For example, land and water. So land and water are available in most of the part of the world, and most of the nations have the availability of this resource. The third type is solitary resource. Solitary resource. The resource is available in one or two regions of the world. So this is known as a solitary resource. For example, cryolite, which is available only in Greenland. So this is called solitary resource. So it is found rarely in one or two regions in the world. The last type of the resource is distributed on the basis of re-availability. Some resources are available easily after their use, so they are known as renewable resources. For example, forest, animals, birds, solar energy, wind energy. So these resources are considered renewable resources. But some resources are categorized as non-renewable resources because once they are used, it takes lot of time to regenerate and regain them. So they are called non-renewable resources. For example, coal, natural gas and minerals. So that's how we can distribute the resources in the different types and different uses. In the next our lecture we'll discuss more about resources. Thank you.